The early morning light streamed into a small roadside café, illuminating dust motes dancing in the air. A tired-looking man entered. His young daughter's hand, held tightly in his jacket, was worn, but a small military patch was still visible on the sleeve. He scanned the menu, his eyes nervously flitting over the prices, a silent calculation happening behind his weary expression. His daughter, barely tall enough to see over the counter, whispered, "Daddy, I'm hungry." He managed a weak smile and ordered 1 coffee and a single small plate of fries. They found a quiet corner table, away from the few other patrons. The father's hands, resting on the table, were calloused and rough, telling a story of hard labor. Nearby, a man in a clean, well-tailored suit sat alone, quietly scrolling through emails on his phone. When the fries arrived, the little girl's eyes lit up. Her father gently pushed the plate towards her, his own stomach growling in protest as he pretended he wasn't hungry. But she noticed. With a small frown, she looked from her father's empty spot at the table to the large, full breakfast on the nearby stranger's table. With the innocent courage only a child possesses, she slipped off her chair and walked towards the man in the suit. Her father's heart leaped into his throat. He froze, a silent panic washing over him. The little girl stopped beside the man's table and, in a soft, clear voice, asked, "Can we share your fries, sir?" The low hum of the café fell silent. The man looked up from his phone, startled. He saw her hopeful, earnest eyes, and then his gaze shifted to her father, who was now standing awkwardly, his face a mixture of embarrassment and apology. A gentle smile spread across the man's face. "Of course," he said warmly, pulling his plate closer to her. He then gestured to the empty chairs at his table, inviting both of them to join him. The father rushed over, apologizing repeatedly, but the man simply waved it off with a kind hand. They sat down, the father tense with embarrassment, while his daughter happily began eating the fries. The man didn't stop there. He signaled the waitress and ordered more food, a glass of milk for the child, and a full breakfast for the dad. The father started to protest, his pride stinging, but the man insisted calmly, his quiet authority leaving no room for argument. Finally, overwhelmed with emotion, the father accepted, his voice thick as he thanked him. As they ate, the man's eyes fell on the veteran's patch on the father's jacket. "Did you serve?" he asked softly. The father nodded, sharing that he'd served overseas. He spoke of losing his wife a few years ago, his voice cracking for just a moment before his daughter reached out and took his hand, grounding him. A silent bond formed between the two men when the stranger revealed that his own father had been a soldier. The conversation turned to work. The dad explained he was taking any odd job he could find, just trying to stay strong for his little girl. The man listened intently, his expression full of respect for the father's quiet dignity. The little girl, now full and happy, smiled between bites and politely thanked the man, who chuckled warmly. When the meal was over, the man discreetly paid the entire bill before the father even had a chance to see it. He even ordered a small dessert for the child. When the father noticed and tried to protest, the man gently stopped him. "Today, let me," he said simply. As he stood to leave, he handed the father a simple but elegant business card. "Call me if you need work," he said. They shook hands, a firm, meaningful grip, and the man left as quietly as he had sat. Outside, a luxury car was waiting, and it was only then that the father realized he hadn't just met a kind stranger, but a millionaire. He stared in disbelief, the card feeling heavy in his hand. "Who was that, Daddy?" his daughter asked. He looked down at her and replied, "A very kind man." Days passed. The father debated calling the number, his pride wrestling with his desperation. Finally, he gathered his courage and dialed. The call was answered immediately, and a meeting was arranged. He arrived at a grand, impressive office building, his nerves on edge. But the man greeted him with the same warmth he'd shown in the café. He offered the father a stable job with flexible hours, respecting his responsibilities as a single parent. The father was overwhelmed, accepting with profound gratitude. Weeks later, their life was transformed. The daughter's laughter filled their small apartment. The worry of unpaid bills slowly faded, and the father regained his confidence, working with a pride he hadn't felt in years. The man became more than an employer. He became a mentor and a friend. They would occasionally share meals, fondly remembering the day in the café. The father never forgot that simple act of kindness, and he taught his daughter the importance of gratitude every day. He began volunteering in his spare time, helping other struggling parents, paying the kindness forward. The millionaire watched from a distance, quietly proud. There were no cameras, no publicity, just pure human compassion. That one simple question, "Can we share your fries, sir?" had changed everything. It was a moment where hunger met generosity, pride met humility, and wealth met humanity. It proved that true wealth isn't in a bank account, but in the kindness of your heart, and that the greatest heroes are often the everyday people who show up for each other when it matters most. If this story touched your heart, please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more stories that restore your faith in humanity. Thanks for watching.